Hi everyone. In this video, we will see exponents and logarithms. Exponents, we know, say 2 power 2. Let us say we have a question 2 power 2 is what? 2 power 3 is what? We know 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Suppose we question in this way 2 power what is equal to 4. 2 power what is equal to 8. Writing it using x, 2 power x is equal to 4. Then what is x? 2 power x is equal to 8. Then what is x? We know 2 power x is equal to 4. Then what is x? 2 power x is equal to 2 power 2. Here 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2. Suppose 2 power x is equal to 8. Then what is x? Here we can write 8 as 2 power 3. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 3. Then x is equal to 3 here. So we are here, let us look at the powers of 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. What do we get here? 2 power 2. See, 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So while increasing the exponent here, we are getting some increased values of powers. To what value 2 should be raised? To what value 2 should be raised to get 1? X is equal to 0. To what value 2 should be raised to get 2? X is equal to 1. To what value 2 should be raised to get, say, 8? X is equal to 3. If we question like this, what is the value of x? To what value 2 should be raised? To what value 2 should be raised to get 5? So what is the value of x here? 2 power x is equal to 5. Then what is x? Here we get 2 power x equal to 1. Then value of x is 0. 2 power x equal to 2. Value of x is 1. 2 power x equal to, say, 4. 2 power x equal to 4. We get x equal to 2. 2 power x equal to 8. Then we get x equal to 3. So here value for x here 2 power x equal to 5. Then x should be between 2 and 3. Here this x should be between 2 and 3. So here we are establishing a relation between the exponent and the power. Such a relation can be termed as logarithm. A relation between power and exponent is called logarithm. Let us define what is logarithm here. Logarithm a and n are positive real numbers and a is not equal to 1. Here a and n are positive real numbers. We are not taking negative numbers, and for a 1 is also not valid. Then we define logarithm of n. Here we read it as logarithm of n to the base a is equal to x. Logarithm of n to the base a is equal to x by implies a power x is equal to n. That means when there is an equation in a power x is equal to n form, this can be written as log of n to the base a is equal to x. Let us take an example and see. Say 2 power x is equal to 8. This is exponential form. Exponential form. Now let us write logarithmic form. Now the logarithmic form is, here the base should be same. Here the base is 2. For logarithm also the base is 2. The value should be exponent here. Logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to x. So we know 2 power 3 is equal to 8. This is exponential form. When we write it in logarithmic form, logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. The base is same in exponential form and in logarithmic form, and the exponent in exponential form is the value of logarithm in logarithmic form. One more example, let us see. 10 power 2 is equal to 100. When we express in logarithmic form, this becomes log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. So what have you read in our definition? A power x is equal to n when written in logarithmic form. Log of n to the base a is equal to x. Now let us take some values here. 2 power x, let us say we have some relation. 2 power x is equal to y. Here let us take values of x and here values of y. Y is equal to 2 power x. We have a relation between x and y. Y is equal to 2 power x. When x is equal to minus 3, this is 2 power minus 3, that means 1 by 8. When x is equal to minus 2, the y is equal to 2 power minus 2, that is 1 by 4. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 power 1, that is 2. When x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 2 power 2, this is 4. When x is equal to 3, we get 2 power 3, y is equal to 2 power 3, that is 8. When x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 16. This is exponential relation, exponential function we can say. Let us look at the graph here. On horizontal we have taken x-axis. So this is values of x are varying here from negative infinity to positive infinity this side. We have taken there minus 3. For minus 3, when x is equal to minus 3, we got y is equal to 1 by 8. When x is equal to minus 2, we got y is equal to 1 by 4. When x is equal to minus 1, we got y is equal to 1 by 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, so 2 power 1 is 2, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, 2 power 2, that is 4, y is equal to 4 here. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3 here, we are getting y is equal to 8. When values of x is varying, we are getting varying values of y. So here, what is the value of x for which value of y is 5? Say 5, y is equal to 5. What is x? If y is equal to 5, then what is x? That means if 2 power x is equal to 5, what is x? So here we are establishing a relation between x and y. While varying x, we are getting y. Suppose we make y as independent value and x as dependent value. In that case, that relation is called logarithm. For various values of y, what are the values of x? That is called logarithm. Now let us look at some examples. Write the following in logarithmic form. Here exponential form is given. We have to write in logarithmic form. 7 is equal to 2 power x. This is exponential form. Now what is the logarithmic form? Log of, we have to write value here. The value of the power 7, log of 7 to the base 2. Base in exponential form and in logarithm form. Base here is 2. Here also base should be 2. Base in exponential form and logarithm form is same. So log of 7 to the base 2 is equal to x. So here what are we asking? What is the value to which 2 should be raised to get 7? 2 power x equal to 7 means what is the value to which 2 should be raised to get 7? We can write the same thing in logarithmic form here. Log of 7 to the base 2 is equal to what? X. That means what should be the value of exponent to which 2 should be raised to get 7? What is the value of x to which 2 is raised to get 7? Now second one, 10 is equal to 5 power b. When written in logarithmic form, this becomes log of 10. The value of power should be written here. Log of 10 to the base 5 is equal to b. Third one, 1 by 81 is equal to 3 power c. This can be written as log of 1 by 81 to the base 3 is equal to C. This one 100 is equal to 10 power Z. So log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to Z. And this one 1 by 257 is equal to 4 power A. So log of 1 by 257 to the base 4 is equal to A. Now in second one, we are given with logarithmic form and we have to write it in exponential form. This is log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. So base is raised to logarithm. So base 10 power 2 is equal to 100. This is exponential form. Base is same here. The value of exponent is the value of logarithm. Log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. Now, how do we write it in exponential form? The base is 5. 5, value of logarithm is 2, that is exponent. 5 power 2 is equal to 25. Then log of 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. In exponential form, this is the base here 2. 2 power, the value of logarithm should be exponent. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Now solve the following. Log 32 to the base 2. Log of 32 to the base 2 is equal to x. We don't know how to solve in logarithmic form. So first let us convert it into exponential form. In order to find x, first we have to convert it into exponential form. When converted into exponential form, so base is here 2, so here also base is 2. The value of logarithm is x. This should become exponent. 2 power x is equal to 32. Now let us solve this. Here it is 2 power x, the base is 2. Here also let us write this as some power of 2. Let us take the base 2 here. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 5. The powers are equal and the bases are also equal. When bases are equal, exponents are also equal. So x is equal to 5. Now the second problem, log of 625 to the base log of 625 to the base 5 is equal to y. What is the value of y? So first convert it into exponential form. The base is 5 here. 5 power y, 5 raised to y is equal to 625. Now express 625 in terms of 5. 5y is equal to power of 5. If we write 625, 625 is 25 into 25. So 5 power 4. When powers are equal and bases are equal, the exponents are equal. So y is equal to 4. Third one, log of 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to z. Log of 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to z. Now let us express it in exponential form. The base is 10 here, so 10 power z. The exponent should be the value of logarithm is equal to 10,000. Now we have to solve for z. In order to compare both sides, write 10,000 as a power of 10. 10 power z is equal to 10 power 4. This implies z is equal to 4. Now log of 16 to the base x is equal to 2. Log of 16 to the base x is equal to 2. Therefore, x square is equal to 16 implies x is equal to plus or minus 4. X square is given here. That implies x is equal to plus or minus 4. Is it correct or not? So what is given? Log of 16 to the base x is equal to 2. So we already defined that log of n to the base a is equal to x. We defined logarithm in this way, and we have already mentioned that here n and a are positive real numbers. N and a are positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 1. So here x should take the value of only positive values. X should take only positive values. So x square is equal to 16. X is equal to 4 only. X is equal to 4. X should not take minus 4 value. Does log of exist? Log of 0 to exist or not? Does it exist? Let us say this is equal to x. Now convert it into exponential form and look at the exponential form whether it is valid or not. 2 power x is equal to 0. Is it valid or not? To what value of x do we get here? A power 1 is a power 0 is 1. So we are not getting any value here. For whatever value of x, we are not getting 0. So log of 0 is not valid. Now the other one, prove log b to the base b. Log b to the base b is equal to 1. Just prove it by converting it into exponential form. When converted into exponential form, we get b power 1 is equal to b. B power 1 is equal to b, which is correct. So this is also correct. Log of b to the base b is equal to 1. If we want to find out log of b to the base b, say is equal to x. Now what do we get? B power x is equal to b, implies x is equal to 1. Then log of 1 to the base b, log of 1 to the base b is equal to 0. So log of 1 to the base b is equal to 0. Here, when written in exponential form, we get b power 0 is equal to 1. So this is true. So log of 1 to the base b is equal to 0 is true. Now log of b power x to the base b is equal to x. Log of b power x to the base b is equal to x. So when converted into exponential form, we get here b power x is equal to b power x. So it is also true. Thank you. See you in next video.